welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Dream Mission conducts awareness program for youth recovering from addiction. Villagers take action against timber smuggling in Songsak Reserve Forest. And HANN demands suspension of Star Infrastructure contract over missing documents. And now the news in detail. On February 7th, the Dream Mission, in collaboration with the Presbyterian Khasi Jayanti Assembly, conducted an awareness program at the New Hope De-Addiction Counseling Center in Maudiangdiang. The initiative aimed to provide training and guidance to youths recovering from drug addiction. During the session, experts from Don Bosco Technical School ITI, Don Bosco Youth Center and Meghalaya Skill Development offered insights on self-reliance, entrepreneurship and the importance of hard work. They encouraged the youths to trust in God, highlighting that both civil society organizations and government agencies would support them in their recovery journey. Ba Francis Kharshieng, Mission Director of Dream Mission, emphasized that the program's goal was to help the youths discover their interests and equip them with skills to build a brighter future. A recovering youth shared his gratitude, stating that the training had given him hope for a fresh start after overcoming addiction.
Software, hardware, filter, kini bangin assemble benda, kini mengikut gitar, nang kerjakan, manrat yang kelahe, maka kedua kerja kebahe, melak kit, melak kit yang nu hilang lengkot, teman benda yang tu nanti binapa tu company simpul, kini ada kerja hikai tu benda itu gitar. Tang supaya kador juga drawing ni benda itu muka jingwa design juga kanu mesin electronics mechanic operator advance
anak-anak center ka impact siya mo so maybe nga pa siya hikay kuno ba siya nga shutdown just 1% or maybe a group of person kita hindi basic na bantim di ba siya diploma ba photography chalo group photo lagi siya to okay so dan present pa siya medium close up siya na medium close up means but express emotions of you okay long shot maybe some of you ka ban pose mo mata ki pose jab kijab mo so you can take the long shot kung tari hikay basic so photography pa nibo like lighting equipments kumno use ya kalai ha video kam using even takolong very demanding and it's interesting even like even ta YouTube mo everyone mata dari local ngilong hinanang ki concepts kumno being use at advanced videography so haki elements being used at advanced videography ki lighting okay kumno man pinitana utilize so doesn't mean hangte classroom doesn't mean bakya bandan kitya okay doesn't mean kumki camera mata most of the students kim done so what we use as smartphone filaban na smartphone or maybe if we have a DSLR plus points milling in hikala gimnong partiality okay if you have a smartphone hikala ko concept kumno ki shot kumno ki angles kumno ki movement nation okay movement like kumanta fi done a group am ko ashe mechanic interacting session this is a movement ka whatever happens kanidi ka movement kumanta ka shot long shot vision na du clear du kaja this is a long shot okay they menta fi question ta close up jonga maybe emotions jonga ngas no shisha about the issue must express so this is a close up so to kidi camera shot kidi diploma fi yoban trailer ki okay then filaban go out shoot any news like news current events or maybe sports events or maybe personality events means documentary maybe mitangi happen lishim documentary about someone maybe lumaja or maybe someone kumyafi maybe stories sa shahidin habo filaban inspired so many to your documentary video okay so I like you can cover your test events and then audio visual maybe filaban le alam ki sound how to incorporate sound have a video they go shoot mark sound ni shakta have a video kram ha okay because when it comes to video production you done entertainment videos you done promotional videos maybe you can promote maybe this organization or maybe a product maybe some of you come on and you done some more skills dan preju fix na masuk jangan baca ni ban mobile repairing ni terus na fi ban preju fix barwai ru badam sam anything so fila ban promote legend lembak to stories okay how you do is when it comes to diploma in journalism what you need to do is you make short videos doesn't mean kalau very lengthy videos
Yuma they paling use the phone editing apps long convenience affordable speed and user friendly yung paling long convenience mat kapal CCA kumbang ni mes ni mah bang lek kawan ni usai itu hantau untuk hidai ilaban cikin dah kemudian rio po studio ni akan cakap patri kilaban edit lembaga phone dan edit lembaga phone teng dangi edit hi ilaban tip hano ngalaban cut hano ngalaban mah ngalaban delete no klik kabang day ban ai orang kat kom ki ethics jong kini di rankan news ni tak kalau pensuk lah you know edit po studio lo on lebih tang ke ba udang ka te categories for of editing apps ki link apps pair pengin edit lang ki babon jat lang rembak ki ingin edit rembak ki kita ba edit baik kemgini ban edit rembak ikido dai ulai tu dei way dong ta ba professional apps ba lawan edit balaban IT kalau pair hilang nanti dia baca ngam kak kelarang brown dia hilang adjust juga manually bet de hilang preset hilang nadam sedap dia snap sih ban skin biru ban iris KK ni pak melek masking kak boleh KK kapan sok ya pida nevies yo ban dia yo long kemen shot filter kapan sok ni long AI generated app de Inpush ka video editing app dan InShot, KineMaster, VN, Adobe Premiere Rush. Kini free software kita bagi nak bagi apa? Chrome. Long napok Play Store ni lah ni atau itu pan download napok Play Store long ni haban siu kan. Tu ni pan download napok Chrome. Itu pirated app. Ting watermark lo dan de kini nona serang limit lah. Nada sedang free bet. Wah, kita ki efek pair. Kalau sukta. Kini buat graphic designer. Canva buat pixar. Lo kini apa phone kan? O Canva ban ila ban download po Play Store ni la ban use po website. Kita udah suk mo. The pixar ban mantam available sudah po Play Store you have download po Chrome. Te mar be pirated apps. Tolong bunah ki features ila ban yang tu. Ulong pinja Photoshop
main idea is ban blade nanti kini kena ni ban UI ke lawai lazim rehabilitation dia kan gila ban ni yang ala kerja tu te ni wan ni bon demonstration demonstration bentangin sedang le ikwi demonstration tu ndai dua khumsan ban ai kam ai jam ban hikai ki kam kerja gila ban yang ala kerja tu mereka fokusan because kadang kau lagi cikgu apa dia kadang stigmatization kadang jingsha keno ma dikil anak keno kam kumnu kini kam kumnu menu berai kam iki menu bencani iki bagi dikil kena di bala long bala ha kene jing pam kene jing stop mereka nan kumnu missionary ta makwa man iu bangi kwa sedang suanai kum kini ki functions kini kita minta nalasin decision bagi nu ki functions ba he ka kidon ki forum jo kan Meghalaya users forum kini ki bala ya ida ka diga jipang bagi bala jam bagi bala ya persanghi ban belum man ya hakan di ka mat ka diga jipang te nak kadian tuna ko ban pergi ngin sedang nayi ngin encourage ki te nishim gue decision part of the functions bahaya jomi office making meetings lagi ini kipin bet nakanya kemudian users forum kipin bet akan bam lagi iki snacks kini event.com isi tu dokumenter seni wala kerpa iki kila event snacks kini nginsa gisa submit bill changi nginsa jingku jokani ulai tamat mungkin kamai bisa ndai ban peti ba new shania ni wikwa ban support lagi kin makin yo benyang biam halang kijong kijat na kwa pergi dak duk sa ya ki beri umur khat na kermen makiwe ki business concern so lasai kini kena miki mandala shubu ki learn ya kan no skills ki makiu kin plit ti gini na kinum non kata kacing pi ho ji no mun na wa wan na tu background himla macania kita ingin kwa penjai kata kacing sko aja ni
hỏi jing pang mo hỏi te phila man tai cái jing yi jing phi ha be ba kan ni ka program ka pelong ta sing hadu kan nu thai kala ban ka sta kata jing kala
ka kayarap shibon hi namar ba kadang dan hapo kalong ba kimpadat suthu am ban le yu shabar te dan kum jini pa ka spark some interest in them out, before they go out te kabyang kanika initiative ba ishim na kanika project dream project and ngoba ka kan say so hi namar ba ngai ikna kim khamdan interest hi and kidai ki certain things ba kisi ki kum khna kum manging ya khamlong interested in and ki bon ki khna hane ba kham trim ya kata kam shed ki don ba trim man shed ban chna ki mobile so it is a very good initiative on their end
kina kala jing phi kana I mean sim na ni ki ba kinang one chikmat is ba kan one chikini ki program kham ba kan tip isha kam nu kata ka jing thang ba ka sarkar ka dan ban ni ki la ka jing kala ka dan
na
Residents near the Songsak Reserve Forest are outraged over the rampant timber theft and damage to the forest. Despite multiple appeals to forest authorities, government ministers and district administrators, no action has been taken. On February 7th, villagers intercepted a vehicle carrying smuggled timber and set it on fire in protest. The forest is vital for their livelihoods, providing wild fruits, vegetables, clean water and wildlife. With increasing deforestation caused by smugglers and wealthy traders, locals fear the destruction of the forest and its resources. Concerned for their future, the villagers have taken matters into their own hands, determined to protect the forest and its ecosystem from further harm.
Tan ping sa tolo se tikanga
State jab ni borho sagu pakho jok tana gari bor gumuk uchpa den khodo kata jok
plan jok tengah timba jini garis wah namen jok man bo ya bulan belum takan bo
bor
bos kian yang sukat sudah
ya gari ancam
kau sijap di gari kau
makin ira
ya illegal
illegal diga aknga yarangan suinga sungsak state jab ni bor ko sagu pa
On February 7th, leaders of the Nyotrap Achek National Movement (HANM), led by Vice President Bawan Nongset, met with Chief Engineer of MEECL to raise concerns over the contract awarded to Star Infrastructure under the sector scheme RDSS. Nongset expressed disappointment after learning from the Chief Engineer that the company was allowed to implement the project without providing the necessary documents. HANM condemned MEECL for approving the company without inviting tenders from local businesses. Nongset demanded the immediate suspension of the contract unless the required documents are submitted and called for a new tender process to ensure local participation. The project, implemented across the state, has seen foreign companies being awarded contracts in various districts, including East Khasi Hills and Riboy.
Tandar ni kong kasi hang ngimte ba di inu BC ngimte nen kong do asya tandar bon pre kasi sungi takatawa pa perso dia ba perso si kasi kolong ba bersih habang ipa sya borok ikam pa jala jungi yo be bar jala le kolong kani ba kolong keke ga ba padu mesim kanya ki padok pasam jungi kibodon ni kabor ni kalat ber pre hikam Ten nomor ba PI nomor kasengi ke bam shoglikti kaseng ke patrai nak pos Khubor ba ngajukran nak pos Khubor kiwi pat kibru ba habawan kanu project deni kong pan asai kam ajam sai kri jungi nomor bi lada pi dari di company gen dari kiwan kubri sini siapa rajungi kri banan ko sabab yang berkumjul lada kumri ka MCL la ka tanda du kasi jungi ban trai dia kam teng ngi skem ban ngi iru ba sibun kiasi ki Samla ji nyok kami ajam ning ba ka skim teng ada wan benabar kasi benabar ratri benabar bajala teng ki kasi jungi kami ajam kibabun bela pas kibla tibet qualify kibla fit bertreh kami tikal hai kamu nu project kibabun ndela da posi pi da pi ai pan bani kita kar takamut ba kasi jungi buk nya kam bertreh soalnya bertreh berkar bertreh dekar kim jukot ki kasi bertreh kam juki istri bi kiwara bi kibru nabar teng kiwara benabar kibru nabar jokiru ya pai kontre po jala jungi kembali ke liberation kembali ke sabab yang ada pi ai pat kasi jungi na po jala jungi ni basibun kam kasi giok kambi kun Samla lok bi lok pa abatai project de kam tak ni project di behe project belamang tak keluar ning ba skim na po central po ministry dengan susai ba mentang ya kan bat ni chief engineer ba di pek ni project tengiong ba kada pi sa rapi mla mantri biang ba kisah buat kisah ke babiang rapi mla mantri biang ko sah po laisi sursingi kada kasih dulu ni keluar ban kadap ini project kadap ini company ba sange no pat pidi ban di tendar biang ban ai no kasi jungi balak ni kam teng kolong ba pi teng kolong ba kapeduk mesin pin sama jungi mateni kam famtam ki brig balak ni kam bat kami ka ba pensul bitar kaseng ba habangi keli bat ni song banya keren bat ni uci engineer ba jadi ni kam ni ong ni pan ko sa ba biang jungi company ong ai ka relation ai ka relation jungi tre jungi ai ko sa ba biang ba ba kontre ke jala jungi famtam ki company ba di biang ko sa ba biang isu sai ba kalang jungi uci engineer umla ban pensai uang ba apsang in pet wat ko sa ni sto ba ngani kam dong kam kapat biang yang tak ni bajra ba tre ba kim don ko sa ba biang kala kaseng ni pensai ban ong ba direct yung ba jadi mas sangat dia kam kaseng kapat sangat dia kam menurut tas ni dari project di asas project scheme ding baka MCL bagi apa sangat dia kam ba tak hadu ban penbiang ko sa ba biang dan ngiru selawan selawan tre biang ni kam ba ko kaseng selawan play biang ni yani ka project kumta kat ba pala penbiang ikut sa ba biang lang kaseng don kasing la arai bagi ong direct yung chief engineer yang ba soba sa don borom ni kapat pi ba rumah tas ni pin sangat uswan ni tre tak ada ucap pembiang ko sabab yang bat rangis tu ada auto berapa umla pembiang ko sabab yang dia kod itu rabiang masih sempat ai nak sukong saya kasih
Ki project HE ke putre.
to habai ni beli company ma ni ka company adi ka project adi SSA adi SSS project ya kan ini gadan likely kita ka kada kalau kau.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.